I'm all packed. I've just got to double check my passport. Bye Korea. Bye Korea. Bye crazy power lines. Bye, 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 bye. This is our little alleyway.
We landed in Tokyo and now we're just going to go get our J-Rail passes. We're going to head to the subway and go to wherever the Shikaizen is and then head straight to Osaka for the next 9 days. Woo! On a monorail heading towards a station where we're going to catch our Shikaizen. Yeah, we're in Japan! Here we are, whānau. We're just getting our transfer line across over to Shinagawa so that we can catch our bullet train from there. Going to Osaka, and we've got a whole road to ourselves. And we brought some kai with us. We brought some tuna. And some dumplings, and I think it's a 2 or 3 hour trip all the way to Osaka from Tokyo. About 40 minutes away. It goes really fast, and something I learned is that all of the instructions are all in English, so it's all good. I'm finding it pretty easy so far, day one, to navigate around Japan.
We're at our Airbnb in Osaka. Oh, I guess I've got to put my shoes there. Okay. Oh, that is so cute.
Oh, that's cool.
What's in there? What's in there?
To be a drawer. Yeah,
okay.
Stuff.
Toilet, and then another toilet, and
there's 2 toilets.
Oh, cute little kitchen.
There's another toilet here too.
Okay, we've got to go upstairs quickly, quickly, before the boys. Oh, they're almost here. Okay. Oh my god, these stairs are. Holy shit, these stairs. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god, I don't think you understand how steep these stairs are. Okay. There's a bunks.
No. These are just tummy mats.
What the? Oh, maybe it's here. I found it.
These are hard.
Are they?
Yeah, they're really hard. So we're not going to have any issues at this house with leaving the toilet seat down, because if we want men's, we get men's. Watching over there?
Yeah.
And if we want women's, it puts the seat down for us. And it even has bidets too.
Awesome. We're just about to go out and explore Osaka. Just wearing this t-shirt I got from Kmart for $1. And then a t-shirt that I probably also got from Kmart Then these pants that I got for $3 from Kmart. And these shoes which I got for $12 from Kmart. So you wouldn't have seen me much in the vlog today. I have not been feeling the greatest. And I had a shower and a blow dried my hair, but it's not like styled or anything. We're on a bridge over here. It's a lot darker than it looks. This camera just has a lighting effect. Kawana, what are we doing?
We're at a ramen shop, Osaka, that we have managed to find just outside of our Airbnb. Looks awesome. Just it's our first taste.
So is it ramen?
Japan. It's ramen, yeah. But we've got English menu anyway, so we can choose whatever we want. But yeah,
Kawana and I were using Google Translate.
Yeah. We just stopped in for a ramen set. Dumplings, extra pork, and a miso broth with rice. Tara got the same but with an egg and dumplings. Delicious. Looks delicious.
So we're just going into Koreatown. Look at the stream.
Man.
I think there's a fish. We just found a cigarette vending machine. $4.80 for cigarettes. I don't smoke, but $4.80 a packet.
Crack up.
I just turned down the exposure so you can see how poppin' this store is. It's called Tomade, and it's apparently a 24-hour, I have no idea, I think it's a supermarket. This is $6. Mum, you will know what I'm talking about. Look, it's 198 yen. This is for Uncle Mark because we know how much he loves fishing. Look at this, $17. There's these fish which are only $3.98. One of the hardest things about being in Asia is obviously that all their appliances are in their languages, and I have no idea what I've been doing, so I've been using Google Translate. I got this wrong completely before, but I think I figured out that this is dry and that's wash and this is a rinse spin. Hopefully it works because I know it has a dryer in it because there's a lint thing, so I know pretty much it's a washer dryer combo. This is what I got from the grocery store. I just got Asahi water, I think. Yeah, and I got this, which is a little bit different than the Korean version, but I'm pretty sure it's still the same thing.